In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage multiple Google Calendars. If your work, personal life, and side projects all live on different calendars, it can get overwhelming. The good news is Google Calendar makes it simple to see everything in one place and stay on top of your week. Open calendar.google.com in your browser and sign in to the account that owns most of the calendars you use. Week View is great for spotting overlaps, but any view works. The goal is to get everything visible so you can make quick, confident decisions about your time. On the left, look for the sidebar. Click My Calendars to expand the list. This section shows calendars you own or that are directly associated with your account, such as your primary calendar, reminders, tasks, and any secondary calendars you've created. Shared calendars may appear in a separate section. For now, focus on My Calendars so you can control the ones you use most. To control what you see, toggle the checkbox next to each calendar. Checked means visible, unchecked hides it. This simple trick is the fastest way to reduce visual noise and focus on what matters today. As you turn calendars on or off, events appear or disappear instantly on the grid, so you can quickly spot scheduling conflicts or gaps. If you're planning your week, start with your core calendars visible, then add others one by one to check for overlaps. Color is your friend. Each calendar has a color dot. Click the three-dot menu next to a calendar and choose a distinct color so you can recognize events at a glance. Pick high contrast colors for the ones you reference most often, and avoid using the same color for calendars that frequently overlap. Clear color choices make it easy to scan your day without reading every event. You can also adjust how a calendar behaves from that same menu. Open settings for a specific calendar if you need finer control, like changing the default event color or hiding it from the list temporarily. If your list is long, reorder your calendars by dragging them so the most important ones sit at the top. When your screen feels cluttered, temporarily show only one calendar to focus. Turn everything else off with a click, review the day, and then bring the others back. Many people like to keep core calendars, like work and personal, visible all the time, and toggle project calendars as needed. That's it. By opening Google Calendar, expanding My Calendars, and selectively displaying and customizing the calendars you have access to, you'll get a clear, unified view of your time. Practice these quick toggles and color choices, and you'll manage multiple schedules with confidence.